First up, we have the glorious world of affiliate marketing. It's like being a matchmaker, but for products and potential buyers. Just sprinkle some product links in your video descriptions, sit back, and watch the pennies pour in every time someone clicks and makes a purchase. Remember, the less you do, the more you earn. That's the lazy person's mantra. Next on our list is the delightful world of channel memberships. Imagine having a fan club that pays you. That's essentially what this is. Your viewers pay a monthly fee for exclusive badges, emojis, and access to members-only videos. It's like running a VIP club, but you're the only bouncer, and the dress code is pajamas. Our third lazy money-making scheme is merchandise. Slinging shirts, caps, mugs, and more with your brand plastered all over them. It's the perfect way to monetize your personal brand without lifting more than a finger. And the best part? You can outsource the manufacturing and shipping. It's like having an army of minions doing all the heavy lifting for you. Number 4, crowdfunding. Now this one's a gem. It's essentially convincing people to give you money because they like what you do. It's like being a street performer, but without the actual performing or the street for that matter. Just set up a Patreon or Kickstarter and watch as the money rolls in. All you have to do is occasionally say thank you. Lastly, we have the old reliable ad revenue. Just enable monetization on your videos and voila, you're earning money every time someone watches an ad. It's like being paid to annoy people with commercials. What's not to love? So there you have it. 5 ways to make money on YouTube while barely lifting a finger. Remember, the key to being a successful lazy YouTuber is to work smarter, not harder. And by work smarter, we mean do as little work as possible. Happy YouTubing.